How to enter cheat code in GTA 5. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to know how you can enter cheat codes on GTA 5? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to enter cheat codes. Open GTA 5 on your PC. I have installed it through Epic Games, so I will open its launcher at first. For that, open up the Start menu, search for Epic Games Launcher. Open up the Epic Games Launcher app. Once you have launched Epic Games, you will land on the store page. Under Quick Launch, tap on the launch option for GTA 5. Rockstar Games services will start connecting. Once connected, it will load up GTA 5. As you can see, GTA 5 has started loading. Please select Story Mode since you can't enter cheat codes in online mode. Once you have launched the game, let's learn the way to enter cheat code. Have a look at the keyboard shown at the screen. Tap on the backtick key just below the escape button. Cheat code tab will then open up. Now enter the cheat code of your choice. Let's spawn a car. For that, type in Rapid GT. Hit enter. As you can see, a car has been spawned. Also, you will see cheats have been activated at the top left corner. Similarly, you can browse the internet, know different cheat codes, then enter them here following the same way just shown to you. And boom, you have successfully learned how to enter cheat codes on GTA 5. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.